Lovelies, what type of gel hairstyles are you looking for? The one with up packing or the low packing one you're looking for? Anyone you want here, the braided ones and non-braided ones, that are all here. All you need to do is what? Sit back comfortable as usual and pick anyone that will suit your face. I welcome you on Miriam Dike Multiplicity channel. Let's watch together. Here I have lots of them. The sleek ones, the one you can use your natural hair to do. Yeah, because I have lots of people that would like to do with their natural hair. The one you can use just addition of extension on it. Keep watching. How do we come about with this word ponytails? This comes from the tails of a horse, and from here we have ponytails. And if you look at how it goes, it's just like a horse tail by how it goes at the top or at the low bone. You now notice that after doing it, it will just be like a horse tail. And not to talk of the sleek aspect of it, yeah, coupled with the type of gel or your cream, hair cream you use for it, it's given. That's where this name ponytail comes from. Keep watching. Why do I bring this hairstyle for you to watch with me today? Is because it's a very easy go hairstyle and it doesn't waste time. This is just also for those, or like I say, it's for everybody. If you are the type that don't want to sit down so much, this hairstyle will just take 1 hour. Even if it is going to reach up to 1 hour, you will just get up and go your way. Season, especially now that we are in a hot season whereby nobody will even tell you to stop. It is you that are going to tell yourself, no, I need to rest in this season. I mean next season that we are going to step in very soon. So anyways, we have started seasonal business, but the next month it's very, very hot. So you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. So with this type of hairstyles, you're good to go. Just all you need just to make sure that the edges, you use your edge control to control it, and a little bit just to brushing it up, and you're good to go. Make up if you want. If you don't want to make up, okay, no problem. Wow, all the styles here are so good, elegant, beautiful. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. You are on Miriam Dike Multiplicity channel, whereby you can find many trendings that will interest you. Many beautiful shots, many beautiful braid hairstyles and short haircut. Though short haircuts are not so much, but yeah, you can find the one that will suit your gorgeous face. Thank you so much for watching these amazing trending 2025 ponytail hairstyles with me. If you need more, let me know on the comment section and I will not hesitate to upload that to you. Okay, don't forget that on this channel subscription is free.